Welcome everyone! Welcome to Wonder Boy. I've been dying to play this game for a very long time. Hello Nobody and hello Midna. Welcome to the stream. This is a game from my childhood and they remade it and I've been dying to play it, so it's time. It's time to see what they did. So start. Normal. Alright, so I'm gonna start with 1-1. I tried a few levels just to see what it's like and to see if it works properly and all that. And it works perfectly fine, so I can't wait. It seems that there's the new boy, and there's the classic boy, and then there's Tina. I can play only as new boy for now. I want to unlock classic boy. I don't know how, but I will. Alright, here we go. So, here we go. Okay, nice. Throws are fluent, very icy. Slippery, yeah? But that's how the game was back in the day, so... Now I can shoot my... Let's see if I can do this. I barely made that. Oh, it's so cute! Hey Sean, hello, welcome! I'm playing something different today. I love side-scrollers, huh? I really do love side-scrollers. And this was from my childhood, I mean... Not this one, but... I missed the doll, whatever. Hey Nikki, hello Nikki, how are you? Whoa! Oh, you're gonna see some mad skills, huh? Some mad side-scrolling skills. See that? Do you see what you get when you mess with the warrior? I won't be looking at the screen much apparently, at the chat much, especially when I'm on a skateboard. Oh, nice. There we go. You lost your old song game. What do you mean you lost? You lost the copy of the game. That's not good. That's not good. If someone didn't play this game at least one time, they can't say they're gamers. I know, right? Welcome to the stream, Hadaya. Welcome. Man, this game. But I mean, did you like lose the save or you lost the copy of the game? Basically, if I don't collect the fruits, he will starve to death. You see this energy bar up there? It keeps going down slowly. Oh, I collected the doll. This one needs to take me closer, otherwise I won't make the jump. Ooh, 2 hits, did you see that? Boing, boing. Coupon. I don't know what the coupon's for, but I got a coupon. Oh, that was close! I wanted to get this on the PS4, but it's not available in Europe, and apparently not in the US either. Ugh. Or is it in the US? I don't know, but it's not in Europe for sure. The game was like 15 bucks on Steam. I'm like, no, I'm not spending 15 bucks for this game. And now it went on sale for like, I don't know, I got it for like 6 bucks. I'm like, yes, I'll buy it for 6 bucks. I wonder how hard this game is gonna get eventually. I collected all 3, nice. Whew, okay. How hard this game's gonna be, but Wonder Boy games are known for being hard. Wonder Boy games anyway. There's only one Wonder Boy. I don't count the second Wonder Boy and the third Wonder Boy games. This is a true Wonder Boy game. Side-scrollers. Because the third one looked like an RPG. Ah! Whoa! Man, I haven't lost a single life yet. That is good, huh? One, I don't know what that's for. So if you don't keep collecting fruit, you will eventually starve to death. I wasn't gonna stream this because I don't think many people would want to enjoy. Coffee! Did you see that? I took coffee! I don't think many people will enjoy watching this, but you know what? I'm gonna play it, so I might as well stream it. That's my policy. That egg is bad. And I don't want to open it. Soundtrack is okay, I love it. So yeah, that's my policy. I stream whatever I play. I don't play a game that I don't. Whatever I play, I stream. Even if I'm gonna play a stupid game like this one, I'm gonna stream it, man. I know that many people wouldn't want to watch this, but then again, you watch your favorite streamer, not for the game. I think. I'll take this. Thank you. That's a bad mushroom, I think. I'm not gonna take that. Ooh, that was close. No face cam vlogging? You know, I was thinking of doing face cam. I'm gonna be honest, the reason why I didn't do a face cam today. Complete honesty. I'm wearing my PJs and I don't feel like changing. That's the real reason. But once I get the proper lighting for my face cam, there won't be any more excuses, huh? Even if I'm wearing my PJs, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm committed to showing you my face, you know, face reveal and everything. Ooh, wow. Okay. I'm scared. I don't think I'm gonna do it against the boss. This is 1-4, yes? This is the 4th. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think this is the boss stage. Boss fight, the music will change. Oh, no. Okay, yes, boss fight. There we go. Okay, boss. No! No, man! Oh, come on, it went down by half his health. So I think I can do this. It was a hard boss. Oh, come on. I was! It's not easy, huh? lost a single life in 4 levels, and now the boss is gonna kick my ass. Come on, you can do this. Come on, block it! I just realized my vitality is still going down. Look at that! He races the other way! No! Stop doing that! There we go. What was that anyway? Was it a snake? Looks like a snake. Whew. Okay. Alright, more. Thank you, Nikki. Thank you. How are you, Nikki? What are you up to today? How's your day going? Thank you, Nightbot. Oh, wow. Okay, I was like, where are these? I was gonna step on them. Yes, we definitely will battle next time. Definitely. We can battle. I want to get pants for everyone. Sure. Sure. We'll do the pants thingies. Why not? Make things exciting. I like the music. It's cute. No! Oh my goodness! I thought I collect the monkey. I jumped towards the monkey. I thought I could collect it or something. I don't know. Oh man, nice one. So stupid. Oh, I'm gonna get you, monkey. That was a good one. I thought I collect the monkey or something. Alright, monkey. No! He threw the banana at me! And why is this banana any different from the bananas I already collected? Why? I'm eating bananas in this game. I'm collecting bananas. What's going on? I'm eating carrots and bananas. What's different with the banana that he threw? Oh, ouch. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep moving. Bye. Yay! That was close. Enemies in this game? Whoa, who's gonna say there's not many enemies in this game? Okay, fast. Cheaters. Do it like a tiger. There we go. Dada? Is Dodo here? Did I see your username? I wasn't looking. Hold on. Oh, he doesn't die. There we go. He takes 2 hits. Dada! Today on this episode of Dodo and Chloe. How are you, Dada? Nice to see you, buddy. Ah, man, it's cold. My hands are cold. Let's go. I like that he loses the axe every single time. I mean, I don't like the fact that he loses the axe. It's interesting. Not what I like. There's an axe in the egg. What the heck? Ooh, did you see that? I think they did a very good job with the remake. I wonder how much harder this game's gonna get eventually. This game has an amazing history. Basically, Sega sold the rights to Hudson. They're like, yeah, we're selling you the rights for the game, but not the likeness. So they kept the likeness for this game, for this character. So what they did, eventually they created a new game. I mean, they re-released the same game, but they changed the character. Instead of Wonder Boy, we had Adventure Island. I love side strollers, huh? Hello. No! He didn't shoot the arrow! Are you familiar with OBS? Because I have a problem and I can't fix it. I don't even get how OBS works sometimes. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. But I can't really help you, buddy. The pro. Hello? Okay, thank you. Oh, hey, poof. Look at that. A shiny Palkia from a cold card. Oh, interesting. We don't get those here. We don't get those here. Locally. We don't get cards and stuff. Ooh, as if the game wasn't slippery enough. Oh man! Now it's so much harder now. Wow. So we have an arrow, and a skateboard. My goodness. So the game was already very slippery. It put me on ice, and he gave me a skateboard. Wow. You have no idea how slippery this is right now. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, wow! How did I die? Oh man, I lost the skateboard and died instantly. Let's go. I'm gonna do it again. I don't care. Here comes, here comes. Here comes. Whoopsie daisy. There we go. I took a macaroon. Did you see that? That was a macaroon. And the levels that have been remade exactly, you know, from the original source. The source material, they say. That's true. But you can tell that I'm familiar with the... I mean, this is my first time playing it. Whoa! This is my first time playing it, but you can tell that I'm very familiar with the infamous, you know, classic. Oh! Ooh, you can break snowballs. Nice! Thank you. Going. Oh! Did you see that? Man, my platforming skills are amazing! Can I keep my skateboard till the end? Okay. Can I finish the game with skateboard? Let's see. Yes, I can! Oh, he loses the skateboard at the end. Oh, oh. Wonder Boy, so pretty. Such a... I know, right? It does look gorgeous, doesn't it? It's such a good remake. They did a good job. And I can unlock the classic character, the classic Wonder Boy. But I think I need to finish the game. How are you, V4? Like, for example, when Hudson bought the rights for this game, they released Adventure Island 1, and then they released the second game, Adventure Island 2, and then the third game, Adventure Island 3. It was such a good formula, they kept releasing. Then, they decided, one fine day, how am I gonna do this? Ah, I cannot pick it up. Ah, no, I'm not gonna. That was good, though. That was good. There's no way to pick that up. I was gonna fall into the water for sure. I don't want to lose lives. So anyway, after Adventure Island 3, they decided... I jumped. I don't know why I jumped. And then Adventure Island 4, they changed the formula for Adventure Island 4. It turned into an RPG kind of, like, what? And it sold poorly. They never made an Adventure Island 5, I never picked up that thing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I was thinking, should I finish this? Can I finish this game in the one sitting? I wonder. It's a complete blind run, and I'll finish it in one sitting. I think I can do it! Whoa! Eee! V4, you're not as old as I am. You probably don't remember the game. Oh man! Of course I've eaten octopus. It's a delicacy here in my country. Octopus, rabbit, horse meat. Why do I collect a coupon? What is the coupon for anyway? Surprise! It's all kinds of stuff. Bananas, apple, coffee. Oh, that's so weird. No! God dang it! He takes 2 hits. It's not expensive here in Malta, though. It's not. Ah, it takes time. Okay. Well, I mean, you can buy canned octopus here as well, and it's good actually. Usually, no! I got over ambitious. Alright, keep going, buddy, keep going. Ah, I just realized this is before. This is World 2-4, which means this is a boss. This is a boss. Should be a boss here somewhere. Boss, are you here? Coffee? My goodness, takes 2 hits. Ah, there's boss, there we go. Oh no, how are we gonna do this? Milk? Uh-oh. Boss. What's the devil doing anyway? What the heck? Oh my goodness, I wasn't expecting that. Alright. What's going on with the classic boy? I just unlocked the classic boy! I just unlocked the classic boy! Nice, I'm gonna play as the classic boy then. Hey, look at that! It's from the 1986 game! Oh, it's so cute! Oh, even the axe! How cool is that? Look at that! That's adorable. Uh-oh. It's so adorable, I locked it. Thank you! Oh my goodness, I was gonna fall. What's going on? Oh, did you see that? Oh, fries. The doll again. So tempting. I cannot. I don't think I had sushi with. I don't think I ever had sushi with octopus though. You know, you remind me of octopus. You know what? Maybe I'll buy some tomorrow. It's one of the few things that I can have. Right now I can only have proteins, dairy, very limited amounts of vegetables because some of them contains carbs, especially the starchy kind. Okay, there we go. Whew. Ooh, wow, swordfish. You guys like swordfish? I like swordfish. I prefer tuna. What? One of my hand is completely warm except for my index finger. My index finger is completely cold. I still need to understand how this boss works. Ah! Oh man. Let's go. You can't eat fish? Oh. I'm not a big fish eater, but alright, let's see how this is done. I don't know how this works, but apparently when the octopus slams there. What the heck? Oh man! It's completely random. Alright, I need to figure this out. People complain that the bosses are easy. What? They're not easy. I supposed to dodge that? Wow. Not sure how this is done. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. Alright. Smoked man is delish. I've never tried that one, I think. Let's see. Boom. So okay, before it slams the hand or tentacle, whatever. Whenever I slam it like makes a little gesture. So I know which one is it gonna be. There we go. Oh man, he turns around. Whoa! Oh my goodness, I'm not doing any damage. How do you do this? I don't know, I'm wasting all my lives on this one. Alright, so that's how it's done. No, where's it going? Oh my goodness, this is impossible! So much dodging! Oh my goodness! Alright, so I'm getting the pattern, but... Spit! The ink! Ink droplets. Oh, come on, man! It's so hard! Giggity! And I can't even... I have to do it again now. Start over. Missing that one. Whatever. Can you use the girl? I think she's still locked. I didn't even bother checking. I think she's still locked, but eventually I think I can. Which is funny because I'm supposed to be rescuing the girl! There we go. Wow. Oh wow. So I want to get to the destination. I want to get to the boss right away. Boss is tough, huh? I don't like the boss. Oh, come on! Oh, man! Thank you. I like that remark. Nobody. Thank you. But we all have our days. I mean, sometimes most of the time I am a positive person. But... Oh, come on, dude! And I am attracted to positive people as well. Once I dated a girl and she was so negative. She was always the victim, always this. And I was like, this relationship is not good for me. I like to have happy people around because then it starts affecting me as well. I start turning negative. I'm not a negative person. Far from it, but... Oh, come on, I totally... Oh, man. The thing is, I just noticed, he shoots the axe 2 at a time. Look, let me try it. Let me try my theory. You see? 2 at a time. He doesn't throw any more than 2. So, those 2 need to vanish off the screen before I can throw another 2. That's what happened. Oh, come on, man. Getting angry now. Now I lost all my lives. So even if I restart. Ah, okay. What about my lives though? Ah, I get 5 right away. Alright, that's interesting. Okay. I'll do that then. Okay. I have to get to the boss at least with 5 lives. Because I don't like doing this over and over again. There we go. So, the original game when I was a kid, it was an arcade. It was an arcade machine, obviously. It wasn't a restaurant. We used to go there every Sunday. I remember me, my parents, and my cousin. You know, my uncle. Me and my cousin used to just hang out by the oh my goodness, man! by the arcade games, you know. And there was Wonder Boy. I remember there was Wonder Boy, and there was Asterix as well. I used to beg my dad, like, Dad, give me 10 cents, please, I want to play this game. And he's like, okay. Don't ask me for another one. And he used to give me 10 cents, and with that 10 cents, I used to get my money's worth out with that game. No, 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 no. Did you see that? I used to get my money's worth, because I used to play, and kids used to gather around me, and they're like, look how far this guy got with just 1 coin. Then, half an hour later, I would return to my dad. Can I get another 10 cents? No, no, no. Somebody leaving? Ah, nobody's leaving. Bye, nobody. Thank you so much for hanging out. Have a great time. I need to play some Minecraft with Nikki. I miss Minecraft with Nikki. Maybe another one. Okay, okay. Here we go. Memorizing now everything. I'm gonna take the pudding or whatever it is. Bird. I thought that was going to be a bird. There we go. Coffee. No! You see the bird. Alright, here we go, here we go, here we go. It's a stress-free... You just wait for the stress. Stress incoming. Ah, man, I cannot beat this boss. Alright, now, need to be careful. Those tentacles, man, they slam their tentacles, and the water droplets shot really fast. There you go. Alright, there you go. One. Oh, here comes the water droplets. Ink droplets, sorry. I need to keep in the middle. Alright, and they're gonna slam. Ooh. Again. Should have been aware. Okay. I'm doing this. One hit and I'm dead. I need to be careful. Come on. One last hit. Come on. One last hit. Yes! 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 Whew. When with 10 cents you could buy a bag of crisps. Yes, with 10 cents I used to buy a bag of crisps. Exactly. That's how much it used to cost. 10 cents. Exactly before. 10 Maltese 10 cents, obviously. Back in the day. We had our own currency back in the day. Malta had its own currency. It was the Maltese lira. But now we're with the euro. Now a bag of crisps costs 50 euro cents. So it's not much when you think about it. It's not much of a difference. Alright, here we go. Oh, what? What? Oh, man! Okay, try this again. The thing is, I don't even have an axe now. Where's my axe? There's this. There we go. Yeah, as I was saying, I love side-scrollers. I love side-scrollers so much. One of these days I'm gonna play Klonoa. You guys remember Klonoa? For the PS1? Then it was remade for the Wii. Yeah, even the music was well remade. In fact, if I'm not mistaken, they even sold the... You could buy like the album of the game, I think. Oh, 2 hits. Mr. Skeleton takes 2 hits. So basically, yeah, it's just the same old stuff. He's just... Oh, he threw a bone! Throw me a freaking bone! Throw me a freaking bone! He threw a bone at me. I wonder which bone he threw. I don't know which bone of his body he threw. Okay. Don't you dare throw me a freaking bone. Died like a tiger. Don't you dare throw the bone. I'm not enjoying these splashes of lava coming from the bottom. Because I can't really tell where they're coming from. So I'm very cautious right now. Yeah, baby. He boned me. Exactly, Sean. Giggity. Giggity. Alright. Alright. Oh, wow. Jumpy. Oh, that lava is very weird. Did you see that? See how the lava stops? That's cheap. But then again, it's just a game. Come on, Ken. Don't take it seriously. It's poppy. Look. It's poppy at the bottom. Maltese Club music. I wouldn't say no. I wouldn't say it's Maltese Club. Okay. My health is, my vitality is going down. I need to be careful. I'm not getting many fruits. There we go. Whew, look at my vitality. It went really down, huh? I don't think. No, that's not what Maltese clubbing music sounds like. It is, but not like that. Yodeling! I like this music. Oh, it's a penguin! No! I just stood there looking at the penguin. This is Maltese Club music. I'm kidding. Bye, penguin. Bye, penguin. I like that you find... I don't like... I say like, but I mean sarcastically. I like that you find enemies before you're actually given your axe. Die, penguin! This is a cute level. Ooh. Right. Can anybody tell me what this instrument is called? I know what the instrument is called, obviously. I just want to see how many people know. Oh, wow, I lost mine. Okay. Oh, are you kidding me, Snowman? I like the music. It's not the same music over and over. The original was the same music over and over, eh? Yes, give me skateboard. I won't lose the skateboard this time, as if... Oh, I did! I didn't even finish the sentence. Okay, Mr. Snowman, you're gonna get it. This one, this instrument. This instrument right here. I want the banana! Giggity! Give me the banana! There we go. Oh, I don't want that egg. That egg, no. There we go. Accordion. Yes, it's an accordion. I need to get used to the fact that some of these guys take 2 hits. God dang it. Alright, here we go again. Yeah, it is an accordion though. Yeah. The banana, give me the banana! Where's the stupid bird? I'll take that, thank you very much. Stupid bird. Stupid bird! You make me look bad! And he stops when you hit him. Oh, come on, man! You see, he stops! I couldn't go over him because I hit him and he just stopped. Alright. What's big on the big screen? You see, I need to get really used to some of these. And now I know that they have a long range, these stupid snowmen. Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah, it is. One, that's it. Alright, I died. Try again. No, I cannot play as Tina for now. Let's try again. Look at this. I'm dealing with enemies and I still wasn't dealing with my axe. I don't even know why I'm collecting the dolls. Probably to unlock them. Ah! Yeah, baby, give me the skateboard. God dang it, look at that! Alright, let's try again. I don't want to shoot the bird, because you shoot the bird and it stops. Let's see how fast I can be now. Oh no, no! I cannot go back. Nope. Ah, I missed the dog, whatever. No! There we go, rip. It's getting hard, huh? Giggity. No, don't you there. Yeah, it was a combo breaker, right? Haha, combo! Did you see? That's what I'm talking about. There we go. Done. Oh, it's night now. Look at the pretty stars. What level am I right now? Oh, no! Oh, man! You have no idea how slippery it is, huh? It's very slippery. And I still don't have my axe, so I need to dodge now the enemies. That's stupid. There we go, there's my axe. I don't think there'll be zombies now. But then again, it's a remake, so I don't know. But there was never zombies in these games. Come on, let's take a break from zombies. Let's play something colorful and pretty. Speaking of zombies, by the way, I got the... Yes! I got Resident Evil Revelations for the 3DS, so I'm gonna be streaming that for sure. No! I'll pick that up. Coffee? Coffee! you see that? Forget the monkey. Ooh! Alright, forget the monkey! Stupid monkey! My skateboarding goodness. Don't tell me. Yay! There we go. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm looking forward to play that, but I'm taking a break right now from Resident Evil games because I played it so much. Sometimes I get poisoned with the things that I like, you know? Poisoned. You know, when you play something so much, then you end up hating it. It's like, you know, candy. Everybody likes candy. Candy is cool. Candy is yummy. But too much candy will make you throw up. Literally. And that's what happens to me sometimes with certain games, even TV shows. Whoa! How did I do that? Yeah, I look forward to play Klonoa. Has anybody ever played Klonoa? No! Slippery, slippery, slippery. Alright, here we go. That frog, man, that frog. Was amazing. And if you had to try to buy the game these days on the PlayStation, it's so expensive because it's rare. It's very hard to find a copy. Poor Vloggy, not the Froggy. Poor Vloggy. Hello? Hello? Coffee? Are you kidding me? I stopped right there! Right underneath the... Oh, come on. That is so cheap. No! I love this game. It's hard, but not... hard. I wouldn't say hard either. Hard as Cuphead. I couldn't even deal with Cuphead. Yeah, baby. And that's skateboarding action. Oh, boss with the skateboard? How am I gonna do this? Alright, I lost it. No. Wow. Now I got a bear. Oh. Wow. Whoa! Okay, I need to be careful. Whoa. To look up. Ah! Alright. There your music. You're about to find the truth. What are you saying, V4? What are you doing? Come on, we can do this. God dang it! Because it's so slippery. And there we go. I have to do it again. Nah, I'm not gonna rage quit now. Because I know it's not impossible. It's not impossible now. But Cuphead, it was really hard. Try to identify which one of these actually falls on you. Can't tell. It doesn't show actually. I can't really tell which ones. Completely invisible. I'm losing frames. Goodness, it's so slippery. I saw it falling. I changed direction, but no, it's so hard. People complain on Steam that the controls are slippery, and I know that they are. And I know that they are, but that's how the original game was. Get over it, you know? Yeah, baby. Gimme. God dang it. Look at that, that one's gonna fall. Alright, I can tell which one's gonna fall. There we go. Milk. Let's see if we can do this. I just need to keep looking up. Oh! Come on! I need to start looking up! Last life, is it? They fall down really fast. They fall down really fast, and it's so hard to steer yourself in such a short time. Oh, freaking hard it is. Let's try again. Yeah, the artwork is gorgeous. It's a shame I decided to go with pixely Wonder Boy. But I love Wonder Boy. Oh my goodness. I looked away for a second to check out his life. And start over. Do all the freaking... Yeah, salty tears. It's true. And that's the thing. You die, and then you have to do it again. I hate that he'll only shoot the... only throw the... Whoa, man. I can only throw 2 axes at a time, and I don't like that. My skateboards. There we go. Come on, we got this. We got this. Keep looking up. Keep looking up. Always up. There we go. I need to keep looking up. Alright. There we go. In the original game, you get a monster, a boss or whatever. And thank you, V4. You get a boss, and whenever you defeat him, his head falls off and another one grows instead of it. And then he takes off. And you have to deal with the monster again with a different head next time. Ooh, I like this music. Disco, good, good. Whoa, man. Oh, it feels a lot like Adventure Island all of a sudden, huh? Oh, wow. It's throwing everything at me now, the game. It's throwing everything at me. There we go. Run, run, run as fast as you can, Bloggy, run! Come on. Whatever, 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 whatever. No! Did you see that? How did I do that? That was a glitch, definitely. Nice try, game. Dang it, the freaking fruit up there! They're up there on purpose, so that... Okay. Kingdom! Hello, how are you? Nice to see you, buddy. Again, I fell for it! Do not go for the fruit, or whatever it is up there. It was a burger. Delicious, yummy burger. I'm gonna go for it. Look at that. Cheap. There we go. Goal! Goal! That is awesome. PC Master Race. I mean console Master Race. Alright, looks like I'm gonna be doing the skateboarding early. Let's do some skateboarding. Alright, here we go. Come on, not bad for someone who's playing this for the first time ever. Come on. I'm so good with platforming. I'm not a big fan of PC gaming. I mean, I'm a fan of gaming in general, but PC gaming, I don't know. I prefer consoles, personally. I'm playing this on PC, honestly, but whenever I have no choice, you know, when I got no choice, I'll stream from PC. No! No! That is so cheap! Oh. Alright. Go away, octopus. Octopussy. Where are you taking me, Cloud? Hmm? Yeah, baby! Look at that! I'm starting to hate the caves. I didn't even see it falling down. How am I supposed to grab that tomato down there? Is it being cheap? Am I being cheap game? Can I finish this in one sitting? Oh! 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 How did that happen? Oh my goodness, I have to rewatch this stream because some of the moves I'm pulling off here, either it's glitching or I'm a master. I don't know what happened there. I should have died. He didn't turn around. He didn't turn around. Let's check something. Let me try something. Sometimes he doesn't turn around on time. Oh, that is so cheap! Didn't give me time. Come on. It just poofed from underneath me. Look at that. It didn't turn around! Oh my goodness, it's not even me, it's the controls. Well, that was a very cheap way to do it, but I did it. Controls are very classic. Oh, I like this. Is this word 4? The game wasn't slippery enough. There's a rabbit trapped in there. Oh, I love the classic Wonder Boy as well. But this was a must-buy because I'm a big fan of Wonder Boy. Wonder Boy Adventure Island. And they messed up the sequels so much. It's funny how wherever I decide to stop, they fall. Falling! Yeah, baby! Whatever. Boss time! Why didn't the fairy hang out with me while I was... Is it the same kind of boss? Feels like it. Easiest boss. Or wait, no. This is the same kind of boss. Exactly the same kind of boss. I said this one was white. Alright, whatever. Cleared another stage. Yay! It's the accordion again. World 5. Oh wait. Oh yeah, and after I'm done with this, I mean not today, but when I'm done with this, I'm gonna go back to streaming some Spider-Man, huh? Because I enjoyed Spider-Man. It took me a while to get that working on my career, so I want to make the most of it now! Whoa, I'm so good! Wow! My platforming skills are the best. No! Alright. So slippery. Whew. strawberry? Oh man. Bye, penguin. I'll take the French fries. Boom. Okay. What the heck is that? What the heck was that? Okay, so it doesn't die, that one. Alright. Just shoots arrow or something, whatever. But it doesn't die. No, it doesn't die, so I have a great time. I need to watch out for those, huh? Cheap is that? Look how cheap is that? How cheap that is. I cannot even English right now. Look at that, they're falling off! And I cannot even see them. It's very cheap. It's getting harder in the game, huh? Oh crap! He's sucking my energy. No, look how fast he's draining my vitality. I need to run and eat. Otherwise I'm dead. Come on, look at that. I'm almost dead. Keep eating food. Alright. Whoa. Close, huh? There we go. I'm so good at this. And I collected all 3 doors. Alright, 5-3. No worries, Slinky, take your time. Close. Like the look at the moon. Something's with the moon. Yeah, the moon. I was gonna say the sun, but that's the moon. I don't know what's wrong with the moon, but something's wrong with the moon. It's like there's like a bunny or something in there. Yeah, this is the song that kept playing in the original game. This was the only track in the game. And this is all you'd hear throughout the whole game. Nice now. This game wasn't even 100 megabytes from Steam. Like 80 something. Oh, bees! Alright, boss stage. Becoming predictable game. You're becoming predictable. Yes! Skateboard all the way. Trying to be flying fish thingies. I keep throwing axes all the time just in case another, you know, something that is still off screen that's about to show up, you know, for those kind of enemies. I find those very useful. Ouch. Oh, Mr. Straightforward. Yeah, baby, run! That was close. Okay, boss fight. How many lives do I have? 5 dice. Let's see what we got. I don't see anything here. Is this him? Is it him? Is it him? Oh, it's a shark. Okay. Wow. There's gonna be a shark here. Alright. Let's do this. It's so hard! Alright. I need to memorize basically what he's doing. Crap, it was a short jump, that wasn't it? How am I supposed to tell? His teeth came off. I like that. Alright, well done. Well done, buddy. Alright. Stage 6. Oh my goodness. It's getting harder. Oh man! Exactly the same spot I died. Oh my goodness! Started this level, I'm already getting my butt kicked. Coffee? What? Oh man, I thought that was a platform! Are you kidding me? That is cheap. Wow. Nice game. Oh, are you kidding me? Oh my goodness! Same spot, exactly. Wow. Oh, we unlocked Tina! We unlocked Tina! Yeah, we're gonna play as Tina now. Let's play as Tina. He's so cute! Ah, she has a boomerang! Oh, it comes back! I don't like it, huh? Because I need to wait for it to come back before I can attack again. Ah, it's stronger! Alright. Whoa. Oh, she has a scooter! How cool! That's so cute! Man, I didn't get to enjoy the scooter much. Oh man. Ah, look, it's the Cobra. So it destroys it. No, it doesn't. I thought it would. Oh, that was close. Okay. The boomerang is definitely stronger. Alright, Okay. I like the way she holds her hands like that. So cute. Oh. Eel. Hey, Ala, welcome. Nice to see you. I'm playing something different today. Oh man, it's a remake of a game I loved when I was a baby. Not baby. I want to see if I can finish this in one. Okay. Eee! So hard, man. Tiffany! Hello, how are you? How are you, girl? I know it's a weird game, you're probably thinking, what the heck is this guy's playing? Whoa! Wow. Oh man. No! You might think this is an easy game, but it's not. Man, with the girl it's harder, huh? I don't know why, but I feel like it's harder. It is a relaxing game, but whoa, it's getting harder, huh? Look at him, sliding upwards against gravity. Screw gravity. Gravity. But the boomerang is definitely stronger, huh? I don't know if I'm gonna stick with it. What type of RAM to use? I don't know. 60, I think? I'm not so sure. I bought a gaming laptop and that's it. I don't... Does it run games? Well... Oh, come on! That was so cheap. Oh, you don't die. I hate you. So it's a gaming laptop, really. They connect it to a big TV screen thingy. There we go. Rip. She didn't turn around. Wow. Exactly the same thing! Alright, I think I'm gonna switch back to Wonder Boy. I'm gonna switch back to Wonder Boy. I think it's easier for me. And I like the 8-bit. Mr. 8-bit. Ah! Because when I use RE0 Remake, well, I have dedicated RAM. I have dedicated, sorry, not dedicated, well, I have a video card with dedicated RAM, I think, for... Because that's what happened! Alright, I need to focus, I need to focus. Oh, you want the carrot? Give me the carrot. Oh, look, it's Aurora Borealis on the background. You see that? Cute. I don't know if it's a RAM issue. I don't know. Maybe it's the graphics card. Oh, that is so cheap. Maybe it's a video card. Maybe it's, I don't know, graphics card. I don't know. I don't like to think about RAM and stuff. That's why I just buy a... I need to focus. Sliding upwards. That's funny. I have an itch in my knee. Alright, let's go. No! Oh my goodness, I don't know how I did that. Chicken. I want the macaron. Ah, there we go. Macaron is for life. Give me the macaron! Oh my goodness. Why are they so high? I don't want to die again. Where's the bird? The bird is the word. Boing. Am I gonna finish this in one sitting, blind? It's amazing. Oh my goodness. Controls are very slippery. Like you wouldn't know. You have to play it. Like... But even when I'm steering, look. You see how much longer it takes for me to steer from one direction to another? Look. But these are exactly the controls. No! These these are exactly the controls that we had in the 80s. Well, 80s, 90s. This game, the original game came out in 1986. That's why he doesn't turn around right away, because it's still slippery. Don't you dare. I hate this snowman. There we go. No more snowman, please. Ah, go! Go! I haven't collected a single one of these. Alright. Look at this. The game is making me deal with enemies and they still haven't given me a weapon yet! Oh my goodness. I still don't have a weapon yet and I have to deal with them. Here we go. Skateboard time. Oh, I love the shooting stars in the background. Eeeeee! You have to take that away from me, you stupid bird. I hate those birds. I think the birds are my least favorite enemy. Oh, come on. Rush, trying to make the most of the fairy power. Come on. To emulate on PC also don't work good. How am I supposed to know? I don't know! Oh, stupid bird! What I suggest is take a note of what's not working right. Take a note, like, is it stuttering? Is it not loading? Are you getting an error? Exactly the same! God dang it! Alright, take a note of what's going on, whether it's stuttering or maybe it's not loading or you're getting some sort of a message, and start looking it up, Google it. Google. Let's see if this happens again. Oh, okay. How much more do I have? I'm on stage 6, stage 7, stage 8, stage 9, stage 10, alright, there's 10 stages then. Alright. Am I gonna finish this in one sitting? I don't know. So that's how I go about doing things. Firstly, when I have problems with software and stuff. I Google the symptoms. Skateboard time. That's right. Some of them I have to upgrade my RAM. Yeah, if you don't have enough RAM. But I'm not gonna tell you what it is because I'm not seeing the computer. I don't know what the symptoms are, so I can't recommend anything. I don't want to tell you get more RAM, and it's not the case, you know. But yeah, it's troubleshooting most of the time. Let's go. 3. I3. I don't know if the number should be bigger, like I3, I5, I7. I don't know if the bigger the number, the better. I wouldn't know, but... Exactly the same spot every single time! How am I gonna do this? I don't even see the seagull. Where is it? I don't even see. I hate the seagulls so much. Oh, that is so cheap! Oh my goodness. I need to keep my cool. Because this is incredibly cheap, huh? God dang it! Oh! Ah! No, how am I supposed to do this? 5 lives I wasted here. That is a very cheap way, huh? I did it. I wasted all my lives. And if I die... Oh, wow, good. How many stages left? I'm in world 6 or 7? I'm not so sure. Let's see. Let's find out. So stage 6 for it goes up until 10. Up until 10 4, obviously. I hate these levels. I still haven't got a weapon yet. Look at this. There we go. There it is. Ah! Oh my goodness. No! Oh, that's crazy! Oh man! This is a boss fight apparently. Goodness, it's getting really hard, huh? Oh man! And that's the thing. Now I'm gonna get to the boss with 1 life. Stage again to take a second attempt at the boss. Come on, are we there yet? Oh man, with 0 lives I'm gonna get to the boss. I have to do the whole thing again. Okay. Alright, start over. I'm gonna attempt with Tina again. Oh my goodness, I have no idea how I did that. Nice. Oh, it's all of me. Oh man, this part again. Goodness. This part. Are you kidding me? Alright, I'm gonna restart. From the beginning. Kidding me? Goodness. Oh! Got really hard now. Piece of platform worries me though, huh? With the lava. This part. I'm gonna do this now. I'm gonna do this, I'm telling you. This is it. Told you. So I figured it out. Oh! Alright, if I die again, I'll restart the whole thing. Goodness, how cheap that is. I'm restarting. I need to concentrate. That's how it's done, sucker. Come on. Use number 3. Use number 3. Come on, where's number 3? Number 3. Good. Still have 5 lives. Just have to figure out the boss, huh? Yeah, I got the girl. Because I am that good. She's cute. She has boomerangs. I don't like because you have to wait for them to come back before she actually shoot more. But they're stronger. They're actually stronger. What is going on here? 4. And instead of skateboard, she gets a scooter. The stage is kicking my butt though. Ouch. Yeah, exactly. That's what I need to do. Exactly. Is it boss time? Is it time for boss? Buddy? Yes, boss. Alright, I still need to figure out how this boss works though. Let's see. He jumps, that's for sure. How am I gonna do that? He jumps from one side to the other. I don't know. He shoots fire, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Maybe I should get closer. Goodness! Alright. My goodness. I think I'm better with the... I'm better off with the... with the axe. Oh my goodness, the projectiles are everywhere! But look at the damage I did, huh? That's a lot of damage. Alright, let's see. Maybe I can pull this off. Let's try again. Oh my goodness! Okay, start over. Okay, one last life. One last attempt, and then I have to do the whole stage again. Not good, no bueno. God dang it! Oh my goodness. Oh, one more life? Really? I thought I had 0. Now it's 0, okay. Let's go. Alright, here we go. One last attempt, and then I do the whole level again. Come on, come on, jump. Oh, come on! I jumped! So cheap. I'm gonna go back with the classic way, because I think this is better. We'll see. Oh my goodness, I have no idea how I did that. This is so tough. Let's see if I can do it. There we go. Oh, but I find the axe much better. Whoa! Oh, I don't know I'm doing this! I don't know I'm doing this, it must be a miracle. They call me the master of platform jumping. I'm kidding, they don't. Well, they do. Just me. They call me that. Let's do this. Let's see if I can pull this off. God dang it! My goodness, how fast the projectile comes at you! He's crying, the doggo. You better cry. Butt wipe. Alright, here we go. I'm so good. I'm so good. Oh! That is cheap. Did you see that? Be careful from the frickin'. Well played. I'm playing it very carefully right now. No need to be careful. I have my fairy. Please stay with me, fairy. Don't go anywhere. Don't leave me, fairy. Look at that! Nice. games are no longer, these side scrollers are no longer a thing these days. I don't know, they don't make them anymore. Whoa. I'm spamming the axe. There is an evil fairy as well in this game. I don't know if you were here for it, but I actually accidentally opened the egg with the evil fairy. Alright, nice. Oh, only collected one? Okay. 7-2. Ah, cheap. No! Did you see that? I tripped over the rock and then I couldn't shoot. That's cheap. Ah, no more bees. Oh! The frickin' bees. That's the thing. You throw 2 axes and you miss, and you have to wait before you can throw another 2. Here they are. Are you freaking kidding me? So I just... okay. Wow. That's a lot of spiders. I hate spiders. I was shooting, but there was already 2. He shoots them 2 at a time. The game is trying to find new cheap ways to kill me. That's what I'm noticing. No! No! Okay. Let's go back with Tina, since there's no boss. Yeah, with the scooter! Look how cute with the scooter! And with the helmet! Oh, the counter buck! You see that? Did you see that? Because there was two boomerangs on one side, I couldn't shoot the other side. Ah, cheap. Shut up. Whoa, that was close. 4. I made it this far there, yes I did. Huh? I've never seen this stage before. Not even the classic game. Oh, okay, they're falling off. Oh, and the ghosts don't die. Nice. Alright. What am I supposed to do here? Just run? Whoa, man. This stuff is confusing here. Okay, the ghosts don't die, don't get killed. Alright. Alright. Wow. That's cheap. Oh! Wow. I don't know how it didn't get me. At least the stuff that's falling off the wall doesn't kill you. Oh, he shoots projectiles. Nice. Alright. Oh, same. The heck? I cannot avoid the freaking projectile! Freaking stupid. That was close. That's a bad egg. You have to land on the platform. You have to land on the platform and move a little bit towards the edge. And it's hard to do that with a slippery control. stretch. Chunky. Alright, I'm gonna switch because the boomerang is just. I'd rather switch to this. Uh-oh. Nice. Parts of the wall falling off are confusing. I mean, they don't really kill you, but it's still confusing. Oh, you see that? How scary that was. Let's go. Man, how fast the projectile flows. I love how it has a high score, like the arcade classic. I like that. Like, we care about the score. We want to finish the game, not the score. Can you imagine if The Last of Us had score, had points? Okay, let's skip that egg. Alright. No! Did you see how cheap that was? The platform disappeared as I was gonna land on it. The guy's like, no. I'm not gonna let you do that. There's number 4. Did something. Oh no, turn around! What is this? I missed the doll, of course, but ready? Run, mother, run! I only got one doll. Whatever. Boss time. I have no weapon yet. Oh, there it is. Oh! Did you see how cheap that was? That's the cheapest one ever. Look at that! Look at that! Oh, come on. Could that be any more cheaper? Come on. You can catch me. Oh man, I hate that they stop. That is so cheap. I hate the seagulls so much. Boss time. Here we go. I don't know what to expect. I'm expecting giant snowman. Snowman? A yeti. Or whatever. Oh man. Ah! Alright, so heroes. How many lives do I have? 2 more. Oh my goodness, they're coming in so fast! Should I? No, never mind. I was gonna say, should I attempt it with Tina? I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Get out of your bubble glass, bubble thingy. Nice! Oh, and I got all 3 doors. Booyah. Oh man, these stages. I hate these stages. There you go. Ah! Oh my goodness! I don't know how I did that. But I did. You didn't shoot a projectile this time, did you see that? What the heck just happened? Did I fall through the floor? Alright, I don't know what happened. I think I just fell through the platforms. Ah, they're vanishing. What's that thing up there? Why does everybody hate Wonder Boy? Why does everybody want to kill Wonder Boy? Whoa, I didn't expect that! You dodge one obstacle and you find another. Come on! You won't turn around! Come on. no! Throw me a freaking bone. You see that? Nice. More ghosts. Are we gonna get some ghosts? Zombies! Zombies in the game! Are you kidding me? Zombies! No way! It's like you knew. Zombies in the game! No freaking way. Dang it. I still don't have a weapon yet. I have to dodge them. No, I don't think this is the last stage. I can't believe it. It's zombies in this game. Alright, so whoa, I can see that. Haha, zombies! Whoa. I'll try. Got it. I don't even know what they do. I can't get away from zombies. Every game I play, zombies everywhere. Hey! There was no way to dodge that. I lost 5 lives on this stage. My goodness, I cannot do this. Start over. What did I do? I don't know why I can't get over these cute zombies. Ooh, I don't know how I did that. shooting. Okay, he's shooting now. I think if I keep my distance from him, he won't shoot. Wow. I know sometimes it seems like I'm playing lousy, but it's the controls. Here we go, stage 8 of 3. I love this music, these stages are tough. Flying things. The seagulls, the other fish or whatever they are. So annoying. Those things that just go past. Ah. Come on. Oh, he keeps missing. Look at that. Haha, killed one. Go! Boss fight. Yay! I don't have a weapon, but I have a scooter. Alright. I don't follow your logic, but whatever. Alright. I jumped! fight. Alright, let's see if we can do this. What is that? It's a snake with the thingy on the top of his head. Alright, we can do this. Nice! Wow, I think it's the first time I ever killed a boss. First attempt. Her weapon is definitely stronger. Her weapon is definitely stronger. Oh wow, what happened? I broke the game. The game broke. It froze. The game froze. The game broke. Nothing happened. What? No! I broke the game. The one time, the game couldn't handle the fact that I destroyed the boss in the first attempt. It got salty. Look at that, the game is frozen. Ah, that is so cheap. I read that there were issues with this game, and people have complained on Steam. I was completely aware of that. That's why I didn't want to pay a full price. So I'm gonna have to call it. I'm not gonna do this again. I'm not gonna do this again. Oh man, so I'm gonna go. It's almost 3 AM here, so I better get some sleep because I have an early morning tomorrow. I mean today. I'm off to bed. Thanks to everyone that stopped by and hung out with me. I really enjoyed your company, and I'll be back tomorrow. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, I might. Yeah, I'll definitely be back tomorrow. Take care, guys. See ya. Bye. Have a great time.